Okay. So first of all, first pop question. What's your name?
My name's Holly Herrera.
All right. So you're new to Vegas. You
Yes.
actually moved, not Vegas, but
Henderson.
recently.
Yeah.
So you used to be where?
In Salem, Oregon.
Nice. Are you liking the change?
I do. I love the weather out here.
Yeah, who doesn't, right?
Really good flying weather, right?
It is. Wow, what a segue right into flying. Here we go. So tell us a little bit about how you got started flying.
Well, I only flew a little bit, and it was up in Oregon for the Oregon Department of Aviation. They have a couple drones up there, so I got my Part 107, and I got a really amazing opportunity to fly the Mavic Pro up there. Of some runway video a little bit, and some just some photography with the drones.
Love it. What an opportunity. So, there's so many people that don't just jump in and have, I'm flying on a runway. I'm just getting started, but I'm flying on runways. So there was a lot behind it. It wasn't that she just went out and started flying on a runway. She had all this legal part done and
all the training and
ahead of time.
The knowledge, regulation, very important.
Very important. So you went through all those steps. And so did you handle that, or were you working together as a team?
So my old boss up in Oregon, Kenji.
Who?
Kenji Sugahara. Kenji.
Nice. Hi, Kenji.
Hi, Kenji. If you're watching this,
I love it. Yeah,
I'm here. It's so wonderful. You should be here.
Yes.
He encouraged the team to take training through the Pilot Institute.
Okay. Hi, Greg.
Greg's very knowledgeable. He's amazing. And so I took my training through the Pilot Institute, and then I took my test, the FAA exam. And I passed, and I have my Part 107, and I'm excited about it. So I'd like to just be more part of the community, and and just I'm so happy to be here. Just
I love it. I think they're pretty cards too.
They are. Okay, it's exciting.
I love the colors. I'm like, oh, they look good. So how did you find this event?
Through Facebook. Actually, I was looking for meetups or anybody involved in the community here in the Vegas Henderson area. So I saw drone invasions. And I was like, oh, this looks like a really fun group with a mix of like women and children and just all ages, and it just looks exciting and so much knowledge, and law enforcement's here.
I know.
And search and rescue. And so, it's
a great place to come and learn, network. And what I really like is that family unity they have. There's just a real closeness here that is just, I love that bond that they have. And then there's every spectrum. I've talked to people that are just getting started. And I have talked to people, actually you would be more advanced than some. And then there's people that have been doing it for many, many years, And so you can't help but just gravitate to that and get knowledge from it. So it's amazing. So what do you hope to be doing now moving forward?
I like to just kind of get my own commercial style drone, a DJI. It's a little harder to get, it seems, at this time, and just do some video with it, some edits, photography, or and then eventually maybe go into like the community where it's like law enforcement or search and rescue, just so I'm part of helping people. I really feel that drones are a good tool to help just save lives, and
very much so. Yeah. And I love the tool. Yes. Drones are a tool, and that is an excellent way to use them. And they're invaluable when it comes to trying to do any search and rescue and such like that. Well, that's exciting. So do you have a specific drone in mind, or just kind of looking around?
Looking around right now, I see all different types of drones out here, and it's exciting just to see the purpose of them, and just learning about like what I could, what I should get, maybe the best one. to start off with for
Yeah, great.
my own purchase.
Awesome, awesome. So I know over there in one of the other stations, they're doing the mist bucket system to be able to get out and fly. You think you're going to go get your hands on the sticks and fly?
Oh yes, I want to.
Oh, wonderful.
Audrey wants me. She said I could fly her drone, so I'm excited about that. The pink drone.
I was just going to say,
So
pretty in
cute.
pink. Yes. I love it. Awesome. All right. Well, if you were going to share with anybody that was watching right now tips or just words of inspiration, what would you say?
We definitely need more women pilots.
Yes,
yes. I do love the fact that there's lots of women here actually that joined us today, and that's exciting. So yay for women pilots.
Yes.
And safety is number one.
Yeah.
Always follow the rules and regulations of the FAA and airspace rules, and make sure you are you get approved to fly.
Very much so. Yeah. Good.
Always check your
Good
airspace.
Yeah. Check your airspace. Yes.
Awesome. And the weather, of course.
Yeah.
And other
Here's
things.
nice though.
Get your checklist. You have to have a checklist.
Great tip. Yes. Checklists are very important.
Yes.
So, awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you for sharing with us. All right. Well, I hope you have a good time and meet lots of people and really take an opportunity to network.
Thank you.
Awesome. All right. Thanks. Bye, everybody.
Bye.